Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. My name is Anas and I'm a teacher in the International Knowledge School. Today we will pick up where we left off the last class and we will move on and see what is next. So let's see where we stopped the last time. The last time we had a revision which covered most of the things that we've done in this unit. Was here. And today we are going to unit 21, which is measuring length, comparing length. So the green snake is longer than the brown snake. Now this is a mistake. The red snake is the longest. Okay, the green snake is actually shorter than the brown snake. Oh, sorry, yeah. The green snake is longer than the brown snake. The red snake is the longest. The yellow snake is shorter than the green snake. The brown snake is the shortest. Okay, so here we have short, we have our shortest, here we have longest. Here shorter, longer, longer, longest. Okay, I'll show you this in my board or on my board. So here we're going to compare length. So here we have long. So this line is long. Here, this is shorter. So if we say this is number 1, this is number 2. 2 is shorter than 1. If we draw another one and call it number 3, number 3 is shorter than number 2. If we draw one more, 4, number 4 is shorter than number 3. 1 is longer than number 2. 1 is longer than 2. 2 is longer than 3. 3 is longer than 4. The opposite is true. 4 is shorter than 3. 3 is shorter than 2. 2 is shorter than 1. So that's how we can look at them. Okay? So we have short. Sorry, no, this one. We have short. And here we have long. Okay, so this is short. This is longer. This is longer. This is longer. Longer. Longer and longer. Okay, so short, longer, 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 longer. The one here is the longest. One here, shortest. I'm gonna write longest and shortest. Easier to remember. Shortest. Shortest. And here, the longest. Okay, so here, shortest, and here, longest. But if we compare two, we can say this is shorter than this, and this is shorter than this. This is longer than this. But if we just talk about this is the longest, and this is the shortest. Okay, just in this, as in this case, the red snake is the longest, the brown snake is the shortest. Okay. Draw a line from each sentence to the matching giraffe. So let's read the sentences first, and then I'll do one, and I'll let you do the other 3. Shortest neck. Longest eyelashes. So these are the eyelashes. longest legs, shortest tail. Okay, I will do one, and you need to pause the video and do the rest on your own. So which one has the shortest neck? Okay, this is long, this is short, this is short. Okay, this is the shortest neck. This is longer and this is longer. This is the shortest. So here we match this one with this giraffe. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video, match the bubbles or the clouds with the giraffes, and then play the video and let's check together. So go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, so if you pause the video and you answered, let's check the answers. Longest eyelashes. No, short. Here. This has the longest eyelashes. Shortest tail. Let's see. These seem the same. This is longer than this. This is longer than this. This is the shortest tail. Okay. Longest legs. Very long. So this is the longest. This is shortest, and this is in the middle. Longest legs. Okay, so this one has the shortest neck. This one has the longest eyelashes. This has the shortest tail and the longest legs. Okay, so these are the lines that match the giraffes. Okay, remember this means neck. These here mean eyelashes. I'll draw them here so you can get it. So if this is your eye, these are the eyelashes. These are the eyelashes. The hair on the eye is called the eyelashes. Okay, and the tail, of course, is this one here. Tail. Okay, great. Now we can move on to the next one. Tick the longest in each group and circle the shortest. So tick the longest in each group and circle the shortest. Okay, as usual, I will do A, and then you pause the video and you do the rest on your own, and then play and check with me. So let's check A. So we're talking about the trunks here. Okay, tick the longest and circle the shortest. Okay, so this is the shortest one and this is the longest one. Go ahead and pause the video now and answer the rest of them. Okay, so if you pause the video and you play it again, let's check your answers. This is the longest and this is the shortest. This is the shortest and this is the longest. This is the shortest and this is the longest. Okay, so here, this is the shortest trunk and this is the longest trunk. This is the longest tail and this is the shortest tail. These are the shortest ears and these are the longest ears. This is the shortest, I think it's called a pecker. I don't know what's the name of the mouth on a bird, but this is the shortest one and this is the longest one. Okay, now let's look at the next one. Draw the correct size tails and ears on these dogs. Here, draw long ears and a short tail. So long ears, draw them like this, and a short tail. So draw long ears and a short tail. Draw short ears and a short tail. So short ears, short tail, same thing. Okay, so long ears, short tail. Short ears, short tail. Draw short ears and a long tail. Short ears and long tail. Okay, so here short ears and a long tail. Okay, so here I can follow the next one. Complete each snake to match each sentence. Draw a longer snake. So this has to be a longer snake than this one. So here, I'm going to draw a longer snake. Of course, we have to match these. Okay, this is longer than this. And here, a shorter snake. Okay, so this is a longer snake than this one, and this is a shorter snake. This one is the longest, this one is the shortest. This one is in the middle. So if we draw 3, this is the shortest, this is the longest, this is the middle one. Okay, so we can say this one is shorter than this one. Okay, I would like to go back to this one here and compare the lengths. So this trunk is shorter than this trunk. This trunk is longer than this trunk. Okay, try it with me. This tail is shorter than this tail. This tail is longer than this tail. These ears are shorter than these ears. These ears are longer than these ears. This bird's mouth is shorter than this one. This one is longer than this one. So we can use longer and shorter. This is the shortest and this is the longest. This is the shortest and this is the longest. So you can compare any two lengths together. So a quick recap. We have longer. The green snake is longer than the brown snake. The red snake is the longest. The yellow snake is shorter than the green snake. The brown snake is the shortest. Okay, so we have these 4 important words: longer, longest, shorter, shortest. Okay, so these are the 4 most important words in this lesson. Okay, if you have any problems with this, you can always go back to the beginning of the lesson and review them. And if you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments below. Okay, so now we did longer and shorter. We're going to do something else called tall and small. Okay, so tall is like this. This is tall. So if we have a building, a building is built this way. Of course, these are buildings, so they need doors. Okay, buildings are up this way. So this is tall, a tall building. This is a short or smaller building, and this is the smallest building. Okay, so here, smallest, tallest. Okay, so for things like this here, we say short and long. So which one's shorter? They're about the same length, but this is a bit longer. So here we have long and short. But for things like this, up, going up, we can say tall and small. Tall, small. Okay, so we can't say this is a long building. No. We can't say this is a short building. No. This is a small building and this is a short building. Okay, same thing for flowers or people. Okay, so if we have 3 people, here he's the tallest or tall. smaller or shorter. In this case, in humans, we can say shorter. And the shortest or smallest. Okay, so this is smallest, and here tallest. We can't say long human, no. Tall human. So he's tall, he's shorter or smaller, he's smaller or shorter. Okay. So next up, let's take a look. So here tall, taller, tallest. Small, smaller, smallest. So these are the most important words. Tall, taller, tallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Okay? Now we're going to have to join each of these to the correct word. Okay? So let's go ahead. A, we have tall, taller, tallest. This is the tallest. This is taller. And this is tall. Okay? So tall, taller, tallest. Let's see. Short, shorter, shortest. Okay? Now go ahead, pause the video, and answer the rest of them. Before you pause, I'll read these. Tall, taller, tallest. Short, shorter, shortest. Okay? So go ahead and pause the video and then play it again and let's answer them together. Okay, so if you pause the video and you played it again, let's check the answers. This is tall. This is taller. And this is the tallest. Okay, so these are the answers to this question. Okay, moving on to the next page. Write the answer for each question. So we have 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5. Which tree is the tallest here? Which one is the tallest? 2. So here, 2. Which trees are shorter than 3, 4? Which trees are shorter than 3, 4? 1, 3, and 5. So they are shorter than 3, 4. Which tree is the shortest? 5. Which trees are taller than 3, 3? So which trees are taller than 3, 3? 3, 2, and 4. So 2 and 4. Okay, so this is longer and, taller and smaller. This is today's homework. Write the names of people you know to make each sentence true. So here, who is tall? I am shorter than. I am taller than. Who is short? Now I'm going to answer these questions, but your answer has to be different than mine because the people you know are different from the people I know. Okay? So I can say here is tall. So who do I know that's tall? My uncle is tall. Okay, so my uncle is tall. I am shorter than my uncle. My uncle. I am taller than. Okay, so I write my friend's name, Muhammad. That's my friend's name. I am taller than Muhammad. Who is short? Suhaib is short. He's my friend, and his name is Suhaib, and he is shorter or short compared to me and Muhammad. Okay, so my uncle is tall. I am shorter than my uncle. I am taller than Muhammad. Suhaib is short. Okay? Your answers have to be different, not the same. So make sure you write about people that you know. Thank you for watching today's lesson. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.